Hey guys, I'm Ritwith
Chuck,
and Cherie.
we need help.
We need help.
So,
We're asking for your advice.
I guess to start off, when Sherry and I started tenting, we went to YouTube and said, what do we do? What
Yeah.
do we need? How do we do
Mm-hmm.
it? And then as we kept watching more and more videos, we saw a lot of different methods of to make our lives tenting a lot easier, right?
Yeah, and organized
And
and
organized and
not
whatnot.
bringing too much stuff because we were bringing so much stuff.
A
We were
lot of
bringing our
stuff.
house.
And then so as that happened, and we moved to tiny camper, and then we started overloading there, and we got a little bigger camper with rolling, and then next thing you know, the truck's full, the truck bed's full,
Yeah.
rolling's full. We got, I mean, it's so much stuff, it's ridiculous, and I think you guys all know we accumulate a lot of stuff camping, a lot of
Yes.
stuff, and right now we're not packed, but we got some stuff in here.
So this is our second week out in this camper.
Mm-hmm.
We're still trying to figure out the organization of it. Just some questions like for you guys who have a lot of storage, like
Mm-hmm.
we're not used to it, and where to put things, how to organize, especially like the closet space and the bathroom I'm kind of struggling with,
Yeah,
and a few other things. So we're going to take you around
and show you kind of what we did.
so far.
And
Again, it's the second week out.
so we haven't had this camper 2 weeks.
No.
We've had this camper 7, 8, 9 days.
Yeah.
This is our second week.
I
You
know.
know, and how many days have we spent in this camper then?
I don't
Of the
know.
days,
Probably.
4 or 5, something like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what I mean? Of the days,
Mhm.
we've been in this damn thing. It's crazy.
Yeah.
But and again, we're not able to store this at home,
That's
so that's
another
another
thing.
thing, adjustment, major
It
adjustment.
has been an adjustment, and so we do have questions on that too.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's get
All
started.
right, let's go. So
Okay.
here we are. Now, again, we're leaving today, right?
Yeah, this is packing day.
And I can't stress enough with Forest River in the windows. I mean, this is off subject, but I mean, when it's snowy out and it's sunny
It
out,
is. We've been in awe with these windows.
we have been.
It's been crazy because it just feels like even though we're not outside,
We're outside.
we feel outside.
And I ain't been outside all weekend except to go into this building here
Yeah, to
and to
use
go
the
to the
hot
hot
tub.
tub. It was just crazy.
Yeah.
But
But I'm looking forward to getting back outside. And
yeah,
it
yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
it's like, I think 4 or 5 degrees.
Yeah.
These dogs could not, they can barely go outside and go to the bathroom.
This one wants to get out there.
But look,
Okay.
they feel like they're outside too. They would
They
just
do.
stare outside.
So you guys will hear them coming soon to a campground near you barking out
Hopefully
the window.
not. Hopefully we have better camping etiquette.
Yeah. So yeah,
Okay.
here's our kitchen. And I mean, we're not doing a walkthrough. At some point, we're gonna do.
A full walkthrough, but we'll kind of, I mean, you'll probably see a lot today.
Yes, you'll see a lot.
Yeah. Okay.
And we're not calling this a walkthrough video because we're not. We're still trying to learn this thing,
Yeah.
right? We don't even know how to use this damn this
Yeah.
microwave
By the way,
oven.
can we keep this in here as we microwave stuff? And can we keep this in here while we microwave stuff?
Yeah, we're trying
I
to
mean,
figure
this
it
is
out.
kind of probably embarrassing to ask that, but
It is.
oh well, we don't care. So,
Yeah.
all
Oh, we
right,
do care, but I mean,
I don't care. All right. Again,
deep cabinets.
these are very deep, and we don't really.
I mean, look at that crock pot, and that thing can go further back.
Yeah.
I mean, way
These
back.
are like I've been putting like dishes that need to come home and maybe get washed or something because of course we're dry camping. We don't have really much
Not
food.
a lot of food, but we do got the OCPs in there.
Just because we used to store and because we had our camper at our house, we would just keep some of the stuff in there.
Most of the stuff, like I mean, all the dry food, even the refrigerated food, because we'd be plugged in at home, so we wouldn't have to take
That's
anything out. Freezer food, fridge food, all that stuff stayed, right?
So if you have a nice tote that you guys use to take stuff in and out, like that's what we're looking for. Send us a link in
Send
the
us
comments.
links. That's what. And listen, guys, we're looking for good links
Yeah.
to products that we can, hopefully Amazon is the easiest because they'll be here in a few days. But
Yeah.
yeah, if you guys got ideas and how you transport some of the, and most of this stuff is staying, right?
You know.
Crock-pot's coming
Oh, the
out?
crock pot staying.
Okay, yeah, so most of it's
Okay.
staying though. See, all that stuff staying except the one bag.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah,
And then
okay.
what else are we taking out of this bottom
Well,
section?
this.
Yeah, see?
well-
Yeah.
okay, so I don't even, I mean, we have a container coming for the dog
Hmm.
food. Here's some plates and stuff. I mean,
I
it's
mean, there's
just,
a lot of
we just
storage.
don't, I don't know.
And
Maybe
I,
we don't need to put anything in
and I
there.
guess as we keep
I just need something like where we can keep this so they're not just, I guess, I don't
I
know.
think I think
Can
stuff
we
like
keep
that's
that in
going to be
there?
okay. We did a good job with the travel container of alcohol if you want to just pull that out a
Oh,
little bit or
yeah.
bottles.
Bottles. We probably gonna get one more of these
Yeah.
because it's kind of nice. It just maybe we can put some other stuff in there that.
Yep.
Oh, so then here, I just put all this stuff in there. But of course, when you're driving, I'm sure it's gonna be
I'm a little
bouncing around.
skeptical about the
So that's
glasses.
what I'm asking. So, well, these were always bouncing around. So I found this little bin so they can stay in there.
I feel like we just need another one of those.
And to put the glasses in.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. I mean, I put this felt down, but because our last camper was so stacked full of stuff, nothing was moving.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Maybe I need to put more stuff in here.
But I think we have more glasses that we didn't have before.
We definitely didn't have more of these.
Yeah, we didn't have that stuff, and now I'm just seeing that
How you just seeing that?
because I'm not really in there because all the rest is except just to get
Yeah,
the
because I'm
those
always
cups.
serving you.
That's right.
Yeah, right.
But yeah, I don't know about that, but we'll see.
No, I'm not gonna. I'm going to like probably put some towels and stuff in there,
Okay.
so that way they don't move around.
Okay.
Did you have something else you was gonna add? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go.
We got some seasonings now. I can't remember what the hell they called it. It looks like a soft cooler, but it's not.
Somewhere sure up
And
there.
I put all of my specialty seasonings,
Um,
cooking oils and stuff like that. So, and I have it out in the garage right now, but I can just pull that out, take it to Blackstone, and do all my stuff outside, right?
yeah, yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out for that. But because we do everything outside.
Oops.
Ooh, oh,
Yeah.
sorry about that. So we're gonna store the Keurig and maybe the ice machine in here
Yep.
on the way home,
Mm-hmm.
or I guess always
Shoot,
just store it in there. Hi, Chloe.
Okay.
Cocoa Bear, say hi.
Hello.
And then of course there's the trash.
Yep.
Trying to figure out something to do with these little totes and the
Let's see. Yep. Trash and totes and
that
all.
bit that I think I'm okay with. I can figure that out. But
Okay, you gonna walk me out of here. What about underneath there?
underneath here,
Yeah.
I just have.
What did you do?
I put our games in here.
Okay. Let's see.
So
All right, so we got some games
that
in there.
there's a bin, and there's our first aid kit. So make sure you bring your first aid kit.
Okay.
Always have a first aid kit.
Chloe's like, what's going on here?
She's like, put my
What are
cushion
we
back
doing?
on.
What are we doing?
Okay.
Okay.
There is some storage under there too. That
There is, but we haven't utilized it yet.
no,
But we
so
may
that's
put
probably
these
where that stuff's gonna go.
those bins will go underneath there, right? What
Yeah.
else? We're in here. In here, we're good,
In here we're fine. There's really nothing to do in here.
storage wise.
Probably a little ottoman I was looking for.
Yeah, she was. But now this isn't. We're asking for advice. We're not doing any of
Well,
this
if you have
ottoman
a
nonsense.
cute little ottoman
But
that
one
Cherie,
of the other, yeah. If one of the other things, what can ride on the countertop? You know what I mean?
okay, I don't know, can the free? I would be kind of afraid of that though.
Especially with the big windows
Yeah, I don't
and
like that
everything.
idea.
Yeah, but some people, I think they ride with stuff. I think
The
they put
freezer?
things down.
The
Not
freezer.
the freezer, but
The
I
ice
think they
machine.
put stuff down so it doesn't slide around, bounce around, whatever. But yeah, as of right now, I think all this stuff comes off,
That's
right?
gonna come off. There's mostly decorations.
All of it comes off.
Okay.
Alrighty, all right.
All right, we're gonna go check out the bedroom.
All right, let's
Let's
do
go.
it. Did buy this little mat here because you know we come in the camper, everything gets wet here from the snow. Then we bought that little mat so we could have our shoes and stuff dry out over there, right?
Yep, yep.
Oh,
Hi.
thanks again. The TV is a great idea, but we'll have to take this down every time, but it's light.
Yeah, you probably just set it on the bed.
Yeah, which
for
is no
now.
big deal, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So there's not much to this here. You know,
We
we
better
got it's
close in
hanging
there.
stuff you can't really see, but I got some stuff hanging, some other stuff down here. Keep the remote. We started to store some blankets up here,
So our
some
outdoor
bulky items.
blankets.
There are outdoor blankets,
Did I say that?
blankets,
Outdoor blankets.
right?
Yeah, so this
Now
closet,
this closet is what I
I'm switching
got a
it
lot of
up.
questions of.
I am
You
switching.
got to scoot over just a hair so
So,
I can get in here.
yep. So,
So this is, what do you call it? Prep for washer dryer. We're not doing it. I think the way that these shelves are spaced right now aren't beneficial to us. I'd like to move them up a little bit. Each one of these up just a little bit so we're not bending as far. Maybe even just taking this one up some. Create more space at the some more equal space because you can see how high her space is. Look at this.
just
You see
stack it.
her space,
Just stack it.
and then
Keep
you see
stacking.
my space. Isn't that something? Just like at home, no difference.
So I don't. So first you was talking about you wanted bins, and I don't like bins because I don't like digging through bins for stuff that I need. Like, so I found these. Like, they're drawers of my t-shirts and stuff. But I think I may have found something better. But if
Okay.
you guys have ideas,
Trial and error, what they call
it
that.
really is, and
Spend
I
and
don't,
spend
and
and
I
lose and
don't
then
want to
spend
do
again.
that. So I'm not. That's why we're asking. So if you have a better solution of this, Kylo, what's she up to? She's going crazy in there. What's she doing? Tearing something up.
Crazy dog. And there's the other one.
Yes,
Oh, crazy dog.
both of them.
So you were saying about your solution. I just needed to get that on
I
there
know.
because these dogs crack us up.
Okay, so I don't. Yeah, if you guys have a similar closet, like what do you do? We don't really need to hang anything. I just kind of, I don't know. I was just trying to figure something out.
Yeah, and
We can
occasionally, like I
hang
said,
in
if we can hang
there,
stuff in there in the
which is,
summertime, we got
yeah.
winter coats and stuff in there right now. It's taking up a lot of room and hoodies.
It's not like we hang. It's not like we have dress clothes, or I don't. We just don't
No.
hang stuff.
But I brought my work clothes and I hung
That's
them in,
true. You did.
in here in the side deal,
But
right?
yeah, we'll have jackets and stuff like
Yeah.
that.
So I am definitely going to move this shelf
Yes.
up, giving her less space.
For you, so you're gonna
And
keep
so
this stuff down
I'm
there?
going to keep that one there. I'm going to bring this one up to give me more space and make it a lot more accessible for my own self, my old self, as you call me. Okay.
You, you are. Oh,
Well, I'm just saying.
me too.
Okay.
So then,
These upper bins, go ahead and open that one up there.
upper bins.
Upper cabinets, they're deep.
They're deep.
And she's got that little basket, but that thing goes back like almost 2 feet.
Yeah.
I mean, they're deep. They're narrow,
It's very deep.
but they're deep.
But I fit the blankets just fine. I guess we kind of found a solution for this, but
I think we did. Decent solution. And I think Cherie wasn't real happy with
well,
talking about using
the laundry.
the laundry and also getting in and out of the bed. It's actually pretty easy.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
No, yeah, it's
Right?
I thought it was gonna be a pain, but
She did. She was fighting me on
I was.
storing some stuff down here like that we could, because I was like, well, it's accessible.
Yeah.
And I think she thought it was going to be a little bit more of a pain in the
but
butt.
it's not. Because we have like the dog stuff in here.
And we did buy these bins. We measured. We bought these bins. So,
So we'll probably have another one over here for something.
Yep.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
And then we did buy a laundry basket that fits in there, and that's coming today.
Yeah, so laundry basket will go in here. We can keep all of our dirty clothes and stuff as we do our camping. And we got Sherioki back there.
Cherie and Rayoki.
Cherie and Rayoki.
Oh, well, yes.
So I think that under the bed solution's resolved.
Yeah, I think we're good on that.
Right.
We do have the shoes under. We've been thinking about putting the shoes under there. Actually, yeah, the broom situation.
Yeah, hey, broom. Didn't know he was there.
Yeah, I put him under there.
Okay. Got a broom there.
So, but I'm looking for something else.
For what? For the broom? Some type of a vac or something you were talking
Something
about,
like
weren't
that. I don't know if that's really necessary. A broom's probably fine.
So our bottom line is this. We're looking for a few suggestions
Yeah,
to help us out, right?
yeah. I do have some bathroom bathroom stuff.
Yeah, and if you got any hacks, any bedroom hacks, okay, keep it
Yeah.
PG.
I'm, I'm
That
sure
would
they're
be
probably like,
beneficial for
why
us.
you got all them pillows? I love
I told her
pillows.
we needed some more. Not these decoratives, but
Yeah,
I need
I like my.
another real pillow
I
back there.
really am about ambiance. I love my ambiance stuff. So
She
like
is.
their little lights and everything. So just to make it cozy, like it's our home away from home.
Yeah.
So
And we also have to buy a set of dog stairs because
yes, we do. They cannot jump up here.
they can't jump up.
They somehow
I
they
had
must.
basket
Oh,
over
you
there.
was a basket there because they
Yeah.
somehow got up this morning. But yeah, that's probably all they need.
It is.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Yep.
But
Okay, on to the bathroom.
our last bathroom did not have a sink or any storage in it.
None.
So this is kind of nice. I mean, it doesn't have much in storage, but a lot more than the last time.
Yeah.
So I guess kind of wish I wouldn't even put this stuff in there because you just really, I don't know, what would you, stuff's going to fall. Like, what can you really put on it?
Well, I think you can't use that big 12-gallon thing of hair, the shampoo that you bring
I
and
mean, it's
conditioner.
for like probably bar soap or something.
Yeah, in a smaller travel container size type
But I
stuff.
need something to put like
But
my
this is-
razor and all of, all the girl stuff.
Yeah, you can put your razor right on that thing there. When you don't leave it in here permanently.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
there's not enough. So then you put your stuff on there. How
That's
is
a bar
that?
of soap.
Okay, and then my bar soap and my wash,
Well,
my
yeah,
shampoo,
here we go
my
again with that.
conditioner.
Yeah. Here we go.
So what do you guys use for that?
Yeah,
We did
'cause
have
it's-
a little corner thing, but I was thinking of something different.
Where we don't have to mount something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and
We got condensation
yeah.
coming from there. She thinks.
And then I thought I seen somebody had put like hooks or something so you can actually like dry your
Where at?
towels.
Oh, on there.
Like up here somewhere so you can hang them, but I don't, if you guys do that, what do you think about that?
Yeah, give us a nice recommendation for.
I think we were moving this. It just feels like a bad place for
It is a
that.
bad place.
I guess we can put some toilet paper. I don't know.
What, stuff to store up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
Like, I don't like saying about, I don't want my toilet paper showing.
Yeah, she's something, boy, I tell you.
But I guess, I mean, you gotta make do, right?
Yeah.
This is the storage in here that still
Which was nice.
Yeah, like, so, I don't know. Still trying to
I
figure
think
that
all
out.
this is
This is just temporary. We just kind of threw stuff in there.
That's all her stuff, none of my stuff.
And I have
So
to figure that out.
Here we go, we. We done cooked a rack of ribs. You know what I mean?
We did.
Yeah, here we go again. And we made egg salad.
I did.
Yeah,
And it was delicious.
yeah.
So this over here, I tried to pull some towels and see, but really you could only.
And what the hell are you gonna have them in there for?
Exactly. Well, I was trying to figure out what can you do with the space because I don't know. Like, what do you put in here? I don't know. I was just trying to see.
Taking them out.
Yeah, because I want to see so they can see like the space.
Yeah, it would be nice that if we had like a door on there or something.
That's why I
wouldn't
would
it?
like a door on there.
Yeah, I could probably manufacture doors. You know
Yeah.
how I do them.
I think that would be good.
Yeah, we could probably put 2 doors on there with some nice hinges that'll.
It's just very like
Lock up.
Don't know what you would put in here.
Oh, I'm sure you'd find something.
Well, help me out.
Yeah.
People.
Get the air freshener in here.
Yeah, sure did needed that, didn't you?
You dirty dog, you.
All right, well,
All right.
so I think that's it for now.
Yeah, so I guess
that's a good
bathroom
start.
solutions. What do we have? What can we do? Like, I mean, this is kind of like what is our personal space. But then you kind of got to realize that sometimes people, they will be coming in here. So you don't want to have like your toothbrush out and all this other stuff just kind of hanging around, right? You would like to have it.
Well, they say you're not supposed to have your toothbrush out anyway.
Well, of course you're not.
So.
But I'm saying, like, if you were to try to put something up here or whatever, and you don't want particles floating around everywhere.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, you don't want to brought the stuff up, so don't be looking at me like, you're crazy.
I am crazy.
So.
You're crazy too.
All right.
Yeah. So hopefully, I mean, when we get a time, we'll figure it out. But a lot of YouTubing and a lot of your help, and hopefully we can help other people too.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for more.
Stay tuned for more to come.
come.
All right.
Until next time.
Oh, we out?
Oh, we
All
out.
right, till next time.
Safe travels.